Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will learn how to design elbow flange pipe in SolidWorks. Okay, just start it. For units in here, and should select in millimeter gram second, and we can see again this drawing. We start draw from here, from section view, from front view. So first, right click on front plane and click sketch. Draw line from this point, this, and click A on your keyboard, this and this. Ensure this line, click Ctrl and select this line. Sorry, this line, click Ctrl and this line, click make equal, and this point to this point, click make horizontal. This point, click make vertical. This point is here, click make tangent, and here click make tangent, like this. Then we can see from this line have length in 18 and here to here in 18. So just input here in 18 millimeter. So automatically in here 18, because first we just to make equal this line and this line. And set for this dimension, have radius in 30, input in 30 millimeter, okay, like this. After you make sketch like this and input dimension like this, just click exit sketch, and now right click on right plane and click sketch. Select circle, draw from this point like this. Diameter in 21, inner diameter of this pipe in 21 millimeter, like this for diameter. And just click feature and click swipe brush or base to make pipe. Ensure you select in sketch profile. Then for sketch, just select the sketch or sketch 2, and for line, just click this line like this, and just click thin feature. This pipe have outer diameter in 29, so in here you must input in 4, because 29 minus 21 is 8. 8 divided 2 is 4. So in here you must input for thickness in 4 millimeter and direction to outer, and just click OK, and done. It's so simple. We can check in here for evaluate and measure outer diameter in 29 millimeter. It's correct. So after that we can to make flange in here. So right click on this face, click sketch, and click or select convert entities, click this edge, click OK, and click or select center rectangle, draw from this point. Here have width in 40 and here in 40, it's a square. So ensure this line, click Ctrl and this line, just select make equal. Then set for dimension in 40 millimeter like this, and just click feature, select extrude boss or base. For direction thickness to inside, so just reverse direction in here in blind, and thickness in 5 millimeter. Change in 5 millimeter, click OK. This like this, and in here we can to make like this. Right click on this face and click sketch, select convert entities, click this edge and click OK, and click center line, center rectangle, and draw from the center. This line and this line, click make equal, and for dimension in 40 millimeter. Click feature and select extrude boss or base again. For direction to in, so reverse direction in here, 5 millimeter, and just click OK. Don't forget in here, each corner have fillet radius in 2 millimeter. So select fillet, change in 2 millimeter for radius. Click this edge, this edge and corner edge in here. Select this corner, this corner, this corner, and this corner. Click OK, like this. And don't forget in here fillet radius in 1 millimeter. So select again fillet, change in 1 millimeter. Select this edge and this, sorry, I can repeat, select this edge and this edge. Click OK and done, like this. And don't forget in here, this hole and this hole have chamfer 1 by 1. So in here you can click here and choose chamfer. For chamfer type, you must select in distance, symmetric and 1 millimeter. Click or select this edge and this edge. Click OK and done. And last, we can to make hole in here. This hole we can see is hole a counter bore, like this. So for distance hole in here in 30 center to center and the center to this edge in 5 millimeter. So first right click on this face and click sketch. Draw center rectangle again from there. This line and this line, click make equal and set for dimension in here lying in 30 millimeter. We can in here see for distance this to this edge in 5 millimeter and this point to this in 5 millimeter. In here we just to make hole on its corner in here, this point, but first we can do exit sketch and make on this face, click sketch again and click center rectangle. Draw from the center like this. This line and this line, click make equal and set for line in 30 millimeter like this. We can exit sketch again. Now we can to make this hole. The type is counter bore with feature with hole wizard. Now in here, hole type you must like in counter bore, and for standard is we can ignore in here because we just to use so custom sizing. So just click here, custom sizing. For example in here I use in asymmetric, but we can ignore the size here and here because we just use custom sizing to make this counter bore. You must input in here in 2 millimeter diameter in 2, and for outer hole in here you must input in 5 millimeter diameter, and here for thickness this to this in 1 millimeter. So you must input dimension like this. You can edit like this, but in here you must input in 251 like this. And for end condition, just click up to next and click position. Click here 3D sketch and select for this corner, this point, and this point. Just select this point, this point, this point, and this point. Click OK and done. We can select sketch 5 and sketch 6. Click and hide like this and done. We can check in here in evaluate and measure outer diameter in 5 millimeter, inner diameter in 2 millimeter, and this face to this face normal distance in 1 millimeter. Appropriate here to make counter bore like this. And for name in here we can write and can rename 3 item. We can erase in here for specification like this. Just C bore or counter bore like this. After the make sketch or part like this, we can to change for appearances. Just click here, maybe in polystyrene, and then okay. I think that's enough. I apologize if there are any mistake of our tutorial. Thank you. Sorry. Thank you for watching on the video and see you in next tutorial. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.